to our studies, and to our coordination in the school. We, as students, study hard to achieve our dreams, our goal in life. There are days when we struggle, but we are able to surpass these troubles by clinging to our dream for our future. And for our parents, your hardships have finally paid off. We admire your sacrifice for our sake from the bottom of our hearts. We thank you all for the sacrifices you made just so we could study and be given a good future. And to our teachers and principal who gave their all to help us walk the right path from the very beginning to the very end. Thank you so much for the hard work starting from us students, studying hard just to achieve their dream and to make their parents and teacher proud. At our first day of school, we had experienced so many events starting from monthly events to exams. Today, let us think about our future, about what will be our next step and our plans for life. We, the students of grade 10 CPF, will officially give our throne to the next generation. Once again, I thank everyone, not only by my mouth, but from the bottom of my heart. Because we will now follow our dream with the help of our God, Father Jesus. Good luck to all of us. Thank you.